Hello everyone, in this video we will learn to draw Sanrio characters, Kuromi and My Melody.
First we will calculate the space where we will begin to draw two ovals for the head.
And a small circle under the oval for the body. We will divide the oval of the head with two crossed lines. We will make two small circles for the legs. Now we will fill the lines of the drawing on top of the sketch. We will erase the sketch. And finally we will paint the drawing. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. It would help me a lot if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Likewise, you can leave in the comment box what other drawings you would like me to make. I'll read them at everyone. See you next time.